All right, so we're going to show a little conscious walking, Tai Chi walking, Qigong walking. It's used in all these systems. So we're standing, we sit down, knees are forward. So I'm going to peel my one foot off and let the arm come forward. Peel the other foot off. You're looking straight forward. Everything is gradual. So one of the keys is that you transfer the weight, and I'm peeling the foot off now, and then gradually placing it forward. Grounding on that leg, peeling the other foot off. You put your hands on your hips. Going backwards, it's similar. You balance on the one leg, peel the front leg off, make it the back leg, ground on the back leg, peel the foot of the front leg off, alternating between grounding and shifting. You can change angles. You can stop partway through process, then step back, change directions again, going with arm movement once again. Lots of possibilities. You do this in a large field or on a trail. Gives you the distance so you can take your time and really spend 5 or 10 minutes in this slow, balancing walking. Make it fun, stay strong, and live free.